This isn't just an SUV. This is a statement of power, presence, and pure American confidence. Meet the all-new 2027 Hummer H3. From the very first glance, the gloss obsidian black finish commands attention. Sharp reflections, bold lines, and a stance that tells the world this vehicle was built to dominate both city streets and untamed terrain. The iconic Hummer grille stands tall, flanked by aggressive LED headlights, glowing with purpose, unmistakable, unapologetic, American. As the camera moves around the exterior, you feel the muscle in every panel. Wide fender flares, heavy-duty off-road wheels, raised suspension engineered to conquer obstacles without hesitation. This is not designed for decoration. This is design with intent. Watch as the driver approaches, confident, calm, in control. The Hummer H3 doesn't shout for attention, it earns respect. The door opens with a solid, reassuring sound. Step inside and the world changes. The interior welcomes you with premium black leather, rugged luxury, and cutting-edge technology. Every surface feels intentional. Every control sits exactly where your instincts expect it to be. This cockpit was built for drivers who lead, not follow. The digital instrument cluster lights up, framing the road ahead with precision and clarity. The steering wheel fits naturally in your hands, strong, responsive, ready. This is where comfort meets command. In the front seats, you're supported, grounded, connected to the machine. In the rear, passengers experience space, refinement, and confidence, because real luxury means everyone rides like a leader. At night, the cabin transforms. Soft ambient lighting, glowing displays, a sense of focus and control that feels both modern and timeless. This is an interior designed for long highways, city nights, and everything in between. Now, let's talk about what gives the Hummer H3 its soul. Under the hood lies pure American engineering, a powerful engine built for torque, endurance, and reliability. Metal, muscle, and mechanical precision working together in perfect harmony. This engine doesn't just move the vehicle, it drives the experience. From smooth city cruising to demanding off-road conditions, the Hummer H3 responds with authority. No hesitation, no compromise. Every component in the engine bay reflects strength and durability. This is power you can trust, power that lasts, power that defines what a true SUV should be. As the Hummer H3 rolls forward, you see it in motion, confident, composed, unstoppable. The driver's presence behind the wheel completes the picture, man and machine moving as one. This is more than transportation. This is freedom on four wheels. This is American design meeting real-world performance. The 2027 Hummer H3 isn't built for everyone. It's built for those who demand presence, power, and authenticity. If you're ready to drive something that reflects who you are, strong, bold, and unstoppable, then you already know. This is your Hummer. This is your road. This is the future of American SUVs.